Well, this field's fertilized. It needs some lime, and yeah, I said lime. Most people don't lime in the spring. I lime when I can. I found out a long time ago that if you're down a point, say 5.8, 5.9 pH, it's going to take you 3 years to raise that one full point at 2 tons an acre. And so this field's a little bit low, lower than I like. It's like 6.2. And I'm going to put 2 tons on it. And then probably next spring I'll hit it again. Doesn't really matter necessarily when you do it. The preferred time, or the rumor mill will tell you, in the fall. It takes about 3 to 4 months for ag lime to fully incorporate into the soil. You could say the same thing about potash too. It takes a while. It doesn't take 3-4 months, but it does take a while. But either way, I've never had problems growing crops or keeping up with the Joneses. But right now we're going to get on the Farmall M, and we're going to disc up that other field so I can get it called and mulched. And after I disc it, I'm actually going to fertilize it and lime it too. So let's go, let's grow. That sucker's going to get spitting. There you go. Yeah, and I'm going 2 ton to the acre. And he's got about a full load on there. Throws about 50 feet. You can see some of the dust kicking up out there and stuff. Phew. Spitting and getting. You know, these smaller fields are kind of a pain in the butt to lime because you got to do so much turning around. Yeah, this is the field I was working today. I actually went live. You can see the M sitting out there. That's pretty much a stopping point because I haven't decided what I'm doing with that far field. He says 50 feet. I mean, it's all of that. There you go. He didn't know he was going to be a star today. Old ghost of Lucius Clay, if you're watching, I got a pretty good idea that this is the same guy you use too. Considering he's between me and you as far as location. Now this is where my garden's gonna go this year, and I know it's late for a lot of you guys. You got it already planted, but this is just the way it is up here in the north. We do get extended fall weather though because the Lake Erie kind of keeps us thermal. But I'm going to have them run right across here and hit that garden real quick. I'll wisely back off. Wow. There you go. Alright, in a previous video I did all the plowing here, some with the 756, some with the Farmall H and whatnot. Now I'm going to disc this up. This piece here is probably about 5 acres, right in that ballpark. And then come through here with a column mulcher. Well, no, not in that order. Come through here with fertilized spreader, get potash put on it. Some of that over there is going to be in corn, so I'm going to do triple 19. Really, I need urea and potash. I'm good on phosphorus down here. So many years cow manure was spread that it's just phosphorus ridden. So let's get going. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm just putting along here, and I started off in second gear just to get that first pass done and over with, but changed up to fourth gear, and you can see I'm hitting this rough stuff here. And it's knocking me around pretty good. This first pass always does. This is that piece here where I night plowed a couple videos ago. That's fourth gear right there. Going uphill. You eat a big breakfast, come out here and get jostled around. It's like you're out on a ship. Well, and I gotta go put a tire on the spreader. Popped last night. I left that out of footage. Lovely. We are now leaking out of this outlet here. I don't know why. I don't know if that ball valve stuck or what the deal is. But I ain't down with losing high tran. No, there's definitely good tension on that sucker. My only question is this one stuck? Huh. Get some pressure off that line, maybe it'll have a different story, but they both seem to be going in and out just fine, so I don't know. Get it hooked back up, keep rolling. Oh, and that just went into my non-existent bucket. Well, that did the trick, just taking the pressure off, and it ain't leaking anymore, so we're good to go. Yay, I disced up my tripod. Good deal. I'll put that sucker right to good use. Filling up a garbage can. What would a video of mine be if I went the whole video and didn't say, regulators, mount up?